Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Turbotenant app for landlords and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Turbotenant is a rental management app designed specifically for landlords. It helps streamline tenant screening, rent collection, lease management, and marketing, all in one place. Landlords can list properties, collect applications, run credit and background checks, and even sign leases digitally through the app. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is praised for its user-friendly interface and wide range of features. Many landlords find it especially helpful for handling multiple properties without needing complex software. Listing a property is fast, and it gets automatically syndicated to top rental sites. The tenant screening tools are thorough, and lease templates simplify the documentation process. Online rent payments are reliable, and landlords get notified as soon as tenants pay. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report delays in payment transfers or occasional glitches when uploading lease documents. Others mention limited customization options for leases or communication templates. Also, while the core features are free, certain tools like premium screening reports or marketing boosts require payment. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Turbotenant is worth using if you're a landlord looking for an all-in-one solution to manage your rental properties efficiently. It saves time, simplifies screening, and supports digital management. Just be aware that a few features may have limits unless you opt for paid services. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.